Student, today we'll do exercise on page number 52 of Grammar Starter book. So we are doing unit 11, Are You a Student? And we are discussing be-verb yes or no questions. And be-verbs question can be answered in two ways. Positive answer yes and negative answer no. So positive answer always begin with yes. Then we write pronoun and after that we write positive be-verb, that is AMR. And for negative answer we write no, then we write pronoun and after that we write negative be-verb, is not, are not or am not. So we can write the short form also of negative be-verb. We can write am not, aren't or isn't. And then we have to write the correct answer. So let's see. Answer the question correctly. So we have to match the sentence or question with the picture. If the question matches with the picture, then we have to write positive answer yes. If the question does not match with the picture, then we have to give negative answer with no. So let's see. Question number 1. Are they basketball players? But in picture we can see two men playing football. So they must be football players. So we will give answer in no and we'll say no. Then we will write pronoun they and then write negative be-verb aren't. So answer is no, they aren't. Then we will write correct answer, they are football players. Number 2, is it a hospital? In picture we can see a hospital. So we'll give positive answer yes. Then we write pronoun it. Then we write be-verb is. Yes, it is. Is it a hospital? Answer yes, it is. Number 3, are they giraffes? In picture we can see two giraffes. So we'll give positive answer and we'll say yes, they are. 4th, is Eva a teacher? But in picture we can see a girl holding football in her hand. So she must be a football player. So you have to give negative answer. So we'll write no. In place of Eva we write she, because for girl or woman we use pronoun she. So write no, she, then we will write isn't. No, she isn't. And then we write she is a football player. Now student, we always use be-verb am or am not with pronoun I. We use be-verb is or is not with pronoun he, she and it. And we always use are or are not be-verb with pronoun we, you and they. So you have to keep in mind that you have to use the correct be-verb with the pronoun in the answers or while making the questions. Now we will do a B exercise. Look and fill in the blanks. So you look at the picture and we have to frame the question. Boxes. So if there are many boxes, so we will use pronoun they because they are non-living thing. And with they we use be-verb are. So we will make question, are they boxes? And the question matches with the picture. So we write yes, they are. So we are writing be-verb first, then we are writing pronoun and then we write next other words. Second, an orange. So orange is one. So we will start with be-verb is because for one thing we use be-verb is. So we write is. Then for orange or non-living thing we use pronoun it. So write is it an orange? Is it an orange? Will match with picture, but in picture it is apple. So we'll give answer in no and they will say no. Then we write it. It is a pronoun and then write be-verb isn't. So we'll say no, it isn't. Then we'll say it is an apple. Third, is he a basketball player? So we will write is, that is be-verb. Then for man we use pronoun he and then we write rest of the words. So is he a basketball player? Now we will match, but in picture we can see a man playing football. So we'll give answer in no and we'll say no, he isn't. Because with no we use negative be-verb. So we'll write no, he isn't. Then we'll write the correct answer, he is a football player. 4th, we can see a teacher And for one person, we use be verb is. So you write is. Then for woman, we write pronoun she. Then we write rest of the sentence. So, is she a teacher? We can frame question. Is she a teacher? And in picture, we can see a woman teaching. So, we'll give answer yes, she is. So, first question is, are they boxes? Answer, yes, they are. Because in picture, we can see boxes. Second question, is it an orange? But in picture, we can see apple. So, we'll give answer, no, it isn't. It is an apple. Third, is he a basketball player? But in picture, we can see a man playing football. So, we'll give answer no. And we'll say no, he isn't. He is a football player. Fourth, is she a teacher? And we'll match yes. Let's write yes, she is. So, you have to do page number 52 of your grammar starter book.